good day. So today we're on our third day on answering these flashcards. So the first question, the blank model is a linear and sequential software development approach. So this is the waterfall model. So next, the blank model is an iterative and flexible software development approach. So this is the Agile model. So next is, what are the strengths of the waterfall model? So the strengths of the waterfall model, it has a clear structure, predictability, and good for large projects and easier to manage. Next, what are the key Agile methodologies? So the key Agile methodologies are the Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming. Next, what are the weaknesses of the waterfall model? So the weaknesses of the waterfall model are inflexibility, slow adaptation to changes, late testing, not ideal for uncertain requirements. So next, what are the strengths of the Agile model? So the strengths of the Agile model are flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, and early bug detection, and better risk management. So next, what are the weaknesses of the Agile model? So the weaknesses of the Agile model are it requires close collaboration, difficult to predict cost and time, not ideal for large-scale projects without clear structure, and dependency on skilled teams. So next, compare the Agile and Waterfall model in terms of time to market. So in terms of time to market, the Agile is faster while the Waterfall is longer. Next, compare Agile and Waterfall model in terms of flexibility. So in flexibility, the Agile is high while the Waterfall is low. So next, what are the typical phases of the waterfall model? So the typical phases of the waterfall model are requirement analysis, system design, implementation, integration and testing, deployment, and maintenance. So that's all. See you again tomorrow.